Hi, that's Mike Schultz, and today we're going to extract a little bit of these cedar fibers, try to make a little cordage, and test it just to see how strong it is. We're not going to take a lot and make it very big. We're going to make it as if it's just a normal survival type cordage. And I'm going to begin by making a little cut across this bark and deep into the tree, about as far through the meat of the tree as I can get. And from that point, we'll make 2 lines down. Some of your cedar sometimes come out on longer strips. You're more bigger, more mature. A lot of it depends on a lot of factors. This little cedar here don't seem to be putting off the real good ones, but it seems to be pretty usable and workable material. And since I've taken it off the tree, I'm going to use it. I have enough to give you the idea how to get this turned into rope. This is cedar that came off about 3 days ago, and I've been kind of keeping it by just to see if it keeps its flexibility, and so far it has. And I haven't been giving it no moisture, but it feels a little more dry than what I've just recently put on it. But however, if I were going to start me off a rope, I would want them to be of a good thickness, a real good thickness. But what I'm going to do is divide these in half And this is going to be about an ideal size of the rope that we're going to make once you give it that good twist. Once you give it a good twist, you need to roll it over where you get your loop in it. And from that point, you have two sections of fibers, this side, this side. You take one section and you just simply, what you do is give it a real good twist and you fold it right over. And you take your next and you give it the same twist and you fold it over. And you take your next twist and you fold it over. And you continue to do this. But now see, the fibers are starting to get a little bit short. Like I said, this tree wasn't giving much. But to keep the weave going, you would just lay some longer fibers in with it. And you would take and go straight across it with your other. And you give that the same twist and then you'll go across. And you just continue to go. And you're going to come up with the cordage. You can take and add those fibers anywhere along the rope as you're making it and make it as long as you want it. And can believe it or not, this little rope here, at about that size, that's all you want for a good rope. If you need a good strong rope, I think cedar would be a good one. That's using old cedar that's been out for a few days along with some fresh wrapped in cedar. You can make this rope as long as you want it. And you believe it or not, it is just flexible as a rope. I would recommend that once you built it, you would probably keep it in water a few times here and there and keep it moist. Would keep it alive a lot longer. But it will make a beautiful rope and a very strong rope. Thanks for watching.